Hi guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Bernie and today I have some lashes that somebody recommended to me. It was Love and Life 72395. So for whatever reason, I seen your comments but it got like deleted or something. I don't know, YouTube does that sometimes, but I seen it and I did see that you wanted me to try out the lash number 11. So looks like this, okay? And I have them on right now, so I will be going in for a close-up. I'm not sure if I mean, you could do eyeliner, but I'm right now, you know, I'm about to go out and hang out with my friends, so I don't know if I want to do too much and put liner on. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna stick with this. Overall, the lash, I love the style. I just have one little con about it, I know, but I love the way you put it on. It's super easy, super fast. The band is super, it's like the not invisible, transparent band. It's just super easy to put on. I love these kind of lashes. Someone else just also recommended number 1, So Wispy, number 1. It was Isabella. So girl, I got you. I'm gonna do that lash because you said they're super cute. So well, you said they're so cute, so I'm gonna try that on. That'll be my next one. So I'll go in with the close-up, but the only thing I don't like about this lash is just how they're abruptly cut. I like more of I like it to more like look more natural, and these actually do look natural, but like when you're like super up close, if you're really paying attention, which I'm like that person to do that, but they're like abruptly cut. They're not like angled. Like Kiss lashes usually have like an angled cut to their lash, and this does not. So it does look slightly fake. Well, it looked fake anyway, but that abrupt cut, I'm gonna show you. Hopefully you guys can see it in the lash, but the style is super cute. I love it, besides the abrupt cut. Okay, let's go in. Okay guys, so hopefully you were able to see that abrupt cut. Aside from that, super cute lash. Like, I'm living it. I actually don't have a choice but to like it because I have 4 other ones. So this is 4 other ones, and this is $11.99 with Kiss. I'll put down in the description where else you can buy this. So I just wanted to make a quick video before I head out, and I had like, you know, got dressed and everything, did my hair, you know, so I just wanted to, almost like perfect timing, just in case these lashes don't even last. I'll update you guys if there's any changes, because by the time I upload this, I've been wearing it for a day already, so it's good so far, thus far. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.